proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service emergency warning system. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch for warning. This broadcast and the warning alarm will vary location. Watches within a 40-mile radius of the Buchanan and Lagrange transmitters. The Buchanan listening area, WWH-23, includes the following Georgia and Alabama counties: Carroll, Douglas, Haralson, Paulding, Bartow, Cobb, Floyd, and Polk in Georgia and in Alabama, Cleburne. The Lagrange listening area, KXI-76, includes the following Georgia and Alabama counties: Carroll, Coweta, Heard, Meriwether, and Troup in Georgia and in Alabama, Chambers and Randolph. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Was a test of the National Weather Service emergency warning system for Lagrange, KXI-76. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of Lagrange. This includes the following Georgia counties: Heard, Meriwether, Carroll, Coweta, and Troup, and Randolph and Chambers counties in Alabama. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. The following reports of weather